This is how you would hide or embed secret information into a particular image or file. Now, secret information can be text, words, code, or even malware. To begin, we'll start by installing Steghide. So we can do sudo apt install steghide-y. Hit enter. After that's installed, you will need two pieces of information. Number one is the image or file that you want to hide your information inside, and that'll be known as the cover file. I'm going to be using a picture of my aquarium as a cover file. And the second piece of information is the secret information code that you're looking to embed inside of the cover file. And I'm going to be using this here, my secret code. Once that's prepared, we can open up our console again. As these files are on my desktop, we can just navigate over there. There we are. We can start by typing steghide embed-ef, where ef simply denotes the embedded file. So in this case, it's going to be the secret text.txt. We can then put cf, where cf is cover file, as I had mentioned previously. And our cover file name is aquarium.jpg. There we are. Now, when you hit enter, it will prompt for a password, and that password is just for when you're looking to extract the information. It will return that secret text to you if the password is correct. Now, one thing to note, if you actually look at this image, there's no way to visually discern if it has steganography in it, right? It didn't alter it visually in any way. But if we're looking to extract that information, we will need a steganography tool like Steghide. So let's see how to do that. We can type steghide extract.sf, where sf just means steganography file, right? So it's going to be aquarium in this case, aquarium.jpg, and we're good to hit enter. And we can type in the passphrase, and there we are. It wrote the extracted data to secret text.txt file. And you can see it popped back up on my desktop here, and we're good to reopen this file. And there we have it. That's the original message that was embedded inside of that image. Now, this does work for any type of different malware or zip files or any files you can find out there. Just keep in mind, if you do run into any errors, it's likely because the image or whatever you're trying to use as a cover file may not be a large enough file, as it does need a certain amount of bits and information to embed the file inside.